Hi students, problem number 12. When two coherent monochromatic light beams of intensities I and 4I are superimposed, what are the maximum and minimum possible intensities in the resulting beams? So the individual intensities are given as I and 4I. So the intensity of the first source I1 is equal to I. The intensity of the second source I2 is equal to 4I. So this is a direct substitution, that's all. We have studied what is the resultant intensity for constructive interference, that is I maximum is equal to square root of I1 plus square root of I2 the whole square. So this is equal to square root of I1 is what? Root I. So this is root I. Okay. Plus square root of 4I. The whole square. So this is equal to root I the whole square will become I plus root 4I the whole square will become 4I plus 2 into A into B term. So this is 2 into root I into root of 4I. So this is equal to I plus 4I is 5I plus 2 into square root of 4I square. So this is 2 into square root of 4I square. So this is now equal to 5I plus 2 into 4I the whole square. No, 4I square, if you take a root means it will become 2I. So 2 into 2I will become 4I. Therefore I maximum is equal to 9I. Okay. Similarly, I minimum. So I minimum is now equal to square root of I1 minus square root of I2 the whole square. So substituting this is now equal to square root of I minus square root of 4I the whole square. So A minus B the whole square. A square term is root I the whole square. Root I the whole square is I. Now B square term also is positive, is it not? So 4I the root 4I the whole square will become 4I minus 2 into root I into root of 4I. So this is equal to 5I minus, okay, 5I minus, now square root of I into square root of I. So this will become 4I square inside. So square root of 4I square. So that this is equal to 5I minus 2I. So this is equal to 3I. Therefore I minimum is equal to 3I. So what we have got for I maximum is 9I and I minimum is 3I. So which option is correct? You see here, option D, 9I and 3I. Therefore, okay, option D is the correct answer. So this type of problem is very simple and substitution is very direct, but when you substitute inside the square root and while taking the squares, you should be very careful, that's all. Okay, I hope you must have understood this well. Fine.